Hi gorgeous, welcome to Vital 7 Pilates. My name is Cassidy. I've been a Pilates instructor for over 20 years and I'm happy to be guiding you through this workout today. We're going to be doing 3 upper body exercises which are designed to build the strength of your triceps, your chest, your shoulders, and your upper back, which is great for upper back strength and shoulder blade mobility. Even if you're familiar with these exercises, I encourage you to follow along with me through the whole thing. You may hear some new tips and tricks which will help you to master the movement and give you the best results. This workout is perfect for beginners, so there's no need to worry if you're new to Pilates. All right, let's work together to get you feeling better in your body. You're gonna start in a forearm plank position on your toes. You can wear your shoes if that's more comfortable, that's absolutely fine. The further away your feet are from the wall, the more challenging it will be, so you wanna decide for yourself what feels best. You wanna squeeze your glutes, pull your belly button towards the back of your spine so you're active in your booty and your belly. You want to have your elbows about in line with your shoulders. And from here, you're going to let your shoulder blades move in toward the spine so you feel like you're sinking into your chest. And then you're going to push away and feel your shoulder blades move away from your spine. And you're going to repeat that. So you want to feel the movement of the shoulder blades, working the strength of your serratus, increasing the mobility of your shoulder blades, remembering to feel your glutes on, your deep abs on. Try to keep your head in line with your spine. Hopefully you're feeling that serratus working, using your breath. You want to do as many as you can because you want to build your strength, right? So you rest as soon as you need to, that's absolutely fine. If you feel any strain in your neck or you feel like your form is getting sloppy, you can rest, that's absolutely fine. Remember, you're building your strength, so where you're starting from is absolutely perfect. Let's do a few more here. Hopefully you're feeling the fatigue, feeling the heat. I know I am. One more here. Excellent, nicely done. So then you're gonna bend your elbows as far as feels right for you. Where you hit your challenge point, it will be different for everyone, so pay attention to what's good for you. When you feel your triceps really kicked in, like I do right now, you're just gonna do little pulses right in that zone. Oh my gosh, it is going to target those triceps real fast, and that's normal. You want that. Woo! Remember your glutes, remember your abs. Are you breathing? Oh my goodness, are you already burning? I am burning. Woo! Do as many as you can. Rest as soon as you need to. If you feel like your form is getting sloppy or you're feeling any strain, go ahead and rest. That's absolutely fine. Let's challenge ourselves and do one more set. You with me? Here we go. Bending the elbows to your challenge point. Little pulses. Doing as many as you can. Remembering your glutes, remembering your abs. See if you're pushing off both hands evenly. You want to try to feel both arms working the same amount. Ooh, feeling that burn, feeling the heat. Goodness, I'm resting. Nicely done. All right, from there you're going to bend your elbows nice and wide until you hit your challenge point, meaning that you're feeling your chest, your shoulders, and your upper back engaged. You may already be quivering a little bit, just holding it there. That's absolutely fine. And then from that point, you're just gonna do little teeny pulses. Squeezing your glutes, pulling your abs in, keeping your shoulders away from your ears. You wanna feel like you're pushing through both hands evenly. You wanna feel like you're working both arms evenly. Try to keep your head in line with your spine. Wow, are you feeling the heat? I'm already feeling the heat. I'm already quivering. You want to rest as soon as you need to. That's absolutely fine. Oh my goodness, are you quivering in your whole body? I am. My glutes are working, my abs are working, my upper body's working. Woo! I'm feeling the heat, are you? All right, let's challenge ourselves and do another set. Bending the elbows, going down as deep as you can, doing little pulses. Do as many as you can. Pay attention to your form. Whoo, feeling the heat, feeling the fatigue, feeling the burn. Abs on, glutes on. If you start getting sloppy, you want to rest. Woo, I feel the heat. Nicely done. Oh my goodness, how are you feeling after doing that workout? Wow, I definitely feel the heat. My upper body feels really worked out. I definitely was feeling the quivering of my body as I was doing it. I also feel like I have more energy, I'm in a better mood, I'm standing more upright, I feel more lifted, I feel lighter. It feels really good. I hope you feel as good as I do. I want you to get the most out of these exercises. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or you're looking for modifications. I'm happy to help. These exercises are designed to build your strength and endurance, so wherever you're starting from today is absolutely perfect. As you master the movement, you'll be able to do more reps and do more rounds. You're welcome to do one exercise at a time, or you can do it as a circuit if you're up for the challenge. Do what feels best for you. I suggest doing this routine 4 times a week while you're mastering the movement. If you're short on time, that's fine. I've got the links for part 1 through 3 of this Pilates series in the description below. They'll be waiting for you whenever you're ready, and I will meet you there. Keep up the great work. See you soon. Are you ready for exclusive content, early access to content, and other perks? Join us on Patreon. Click on the link in the description of this post for more. Special shout out to my Vital 7 stars. Thank you for making this video possible.